Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Spotify Premium not eligible. First, double check if you're still in the same error even when using the official subscription link. Now open your browser in private or incognito mode, and this will prevent the old cookies or stored data from interfering. Go to your browser settings and clear cookies and cache files. Then load the Spotify Premium sign-up page. For example, if you're on Chrome, switch for Firefox, Edge, or Safari. And if you're tired on mobile, test a desktop or laptop, or vice versa. Sometimes the issue is tied to your card or PayPal setup. Just try another payment method if possible. Now, just make sure that you have no country mismatch, because your payment method must match the country set in your Spotify account. And if you've already had premium before, you may not be eligible for another free trial. And some promotions like student or family discounts have specific requirements, so make sure you meet them. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.